I've tried more project management tools than I can count, but Trello is one I keep coming back to. There's something about its simplicity that just works, but is it really the best choice for getting things done, or is it too basic for serious projects? Let's find out. Let me walk you through my real-world findings. Trello has always centered around boards, lists, and cards, those core elements that make visual task management easy and intuitive. Under the hood, it's grown into so much more: automation with Butler, integrations with dozens of apps, customizable templates, and dashboard insights. In this review, I'll dive into what makes Trello still shine, where it starts to feel limited, how pricing pans out, and whether it's the tool you should invest your time in. The first thing that hits you is the clean scroll and drop simplicity. Create a board, fill lists with cards, and you're instantly structured. For managing editorial calendars or sprint work, you can drag cards across lists like to do, doing, and done in seconds. Trello also now supports multiple views: boards, timeline, table, and calendar, making it more flexible for different project styles. Butler automation. Trello's built-in AI assistant lets you automate repetitive moves like setting due dates, assigning labels, or archiving cards after completion. Whether you're using simple rule-based triggers or multi-step flows, it streamlines operations without needing Zapier. The mobile app also packs all these features from card creation to notifications, making Trello one of the smoother task apps on the go. Trello offers a fully functional free plan, unlimited personal boards, cards, checklists, and members up to 10 megabytes per attachment. The standard plan at around $5 user month billed annually adds features like saved board views and advanced checklists. The premium plan, about $10, unlocks calendar, timeline, dashboard, and workspace level analytics. It's ideal for managing multiple boards. The enterprise tier, priced per user depending on volume, adds single sign-on, SSO, organization-level insights, and advanced admin controls, worth it for enterprise governance. Teams praise Trello's visual clarity, especially for managing workflows with touchable cards. It helps teams focus on what matters, not which button to click. The intuitive drag-and-drop and Butler automation saves countless clicks. Light users love how quick it is to onboard others, while power users appreciate the custom fields, labels, and templates. The free plan alone is robust enough that many solo entrepreneurs and small teams use it exclusively without ever upgrading. That said, Trello's strength, its simplicity, is also its weakness. When workflows become complex, boards can feel overwhelming with too many cards, lists, and color codes. Multi-board visibility isn't as smooth unless you manually pull cards into a dashboard view or integrate with external tools. Reporting beyond card counts and basic due dates requires power-ups like Planyway or Dashboard by Screenful. Also, the free plan caps attachment size and lacks advanced features like workspace templates. You may feel limited after a while. Trello remains a top pick for anyone who loves visual workflows, intuitive interfaces, and lightweight agility. It's especially perfect for content creators, project managers, small teams, or anyone looking to stay organized without complexity. But if your work involves deep analytics, cross-board planning, or advanced automations, Trello's simplicity may become a ceiling, prompting the need for more robust platforms down the line. So here's my takeaway. Trello is still brilliant for staying organized, staying simple, but only as long as your work stays light and visually oriented. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What project are you trying to manage next? I'd love to help you map the best tool for it in the future.